Welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Vishnu to stay with BJP and continue to fight for his right, declares to form Bahujan Samaj Manch to meet governor soon. Mining lease auction issue to be resolved after new government at centre post Lok Sabha polls, says Chief Minister. State collects 216 crores from ore dump plots. BJP to play its card of special status and Portuguese citizenship in Lok Sabha polls. BJP sets stage for Modi's mega rally. Almost 800 buses for 1 lakh crowd. Portuguese dual citizenship issue needs thorough study. Decision thereafter. External Affairs Minister speaks to Prudent. And Sudeep Tamankar slams MLA Nilesh Kabral for hushing up a case against Kabral for illegally registering private buses. Now news in detail. Vishnu Wagh has decided to stay with the BJP and continue his fight from within. Wagh had declared to form Bahujan Samaj Manch. He will also meet and petition the governor of Goa and BJP national president. Vishnu has alleged that BJP office staff is running Facebook campaign against him.
Revoda attack victim Vishnu Wagh has said that he would be opening his cards on Wednesday. Vishnu Wagh has now declared not to leave BJP. Wagh has decided to form Bahujan Samaj Manch.
तर म्हाका राजीनामो दिवपाचें कारण ना. राजीनामो दिवपा सारकें वायट कृत्य हांवें कसलेंच करूं ना. भारतीय जनता पक्ष सोडून भायर वचप हें म्हज्या एजेंडाचेर ना हें हांव क्लियरली करूं शकता. म्हाज्या हेज्या हल्ल्याचो हांव व्हडलो बावू करचो ना. लोकांक जर पुलीस वेळच्या वेळार न्याय दिना जायत की गोंयच्या ह्या बारीक मनशाक शक्ती दिवपा खातीर येणाऱ्या काळान म्हणजे येत्या ह्या 1 ते 2 म्हयन्या भितर हांव बहुजन महामंच हो स्थापन करतलो. श्रमजीवी कष्टकरी सगळे लोक आसा ह्या सगळ्या लोकांक आस्पावपा सारको एक बहुजन महामंच हो तयार करपाची घोषणा ही हांव आयच्या दिसा करता.
Vishnu Wagh will meet governor once he is back in Goa. Vishnu Wagh has decided to take his attack case at all party level and democratic fronts. Vishnu is upset as his attack issue did not get due response from social and literary sections. Vishnu has come down heavily on people within party working against him. He has come down heavily on MLA and his party colleague Subhash Faldesai.
बारीक जे कोण बारीक किडयाऱ्यांनी जी करबटां आहा म्हाजेर कोणे आरोप करचे न्ही आनी त्या बारीक किडयाऱ्यांनी म्हाका सल्लो दिवचो न्ही. हांवें ठरयल्लें काल की सुभाष फळदेसायान जें कितें उलयलां तेका उत्तर दिवचो ना म्हणून. कित्याक तुमकां हांवें सांगिल्लें की ते बालबुद्धीच्या मनशाक हांव उत्तर दिना म्हणून. पण म्हाजेर उलोवचे पयलीं 10 वेळ ताणें विचार करचो म्हाका सल्लो दिवचे पयलीं की भाजपाच्या कार्यालयान काम करपी कांय कर्मचारी आहात. हो गानू नांवाचो मनीस फेसबुकार म्हाज्या विरुद्ध कॅम्पेन चलयता आनी कमेंट्स मारता. जे थंय पक्षाच्या पेरोलाचेर पक्षाचे सर्वंट म्हणून जे काम करतात तांकां पक्षाच्या आमदाराचेर हें टिका करपाचो खंयचो अधिकार कोणें दिला तांकां? आमच्या अध्यक्षानूय म्हाका सांगूं जाय. आनी फेसबुकार सुद्दां एक सर्कल जालां.
Vishnu launched his mission from Wednesday. He also introduced Manoj Kedar, who has gone through a similar fate. Manoj was kidnapped and assaulted by his own friends. Police have failed to give him justice. With senior reporter Laukik Shilkar, video journalist Chetan Gauss for Prudent.
Issue of auction of mining leases will be settled once new government takes charge at the centre. Chief Minister, while speaking to media, said he will discuss the lease auction issue with the new Union Finance Minister. The state has collected revenue of almost 216 crores through conversion of ore dump plots. CM said the state is expecting at least 20 crores more.
Export duty central government on 30% लायल्ली पळय, that reduces windfall profit. Now what happened, when this was levied, that time it was very heavy. In between, international prices increased. That's why the profit again become windfall. Till then, initially it was the windfall profit was absorbed by 30% export duty.
So you want to increase it further?
I don't give you the method because I am not the finance minister of the country. But whoever becomes finance minister, I can suggest him some solution.
No, when BJP will come into power, that
I will
time
suggest him solution. Whoever is mining extraction should be restricted within 25 million tons. Fresh extraction. We suggested that if there is a proper mining corridor established, we can have another 20 million ton here. Now Supreme Court has appointed a 6-member committee to decide about what should be the capping. I hope the committee looks into the matter properly, discuss it with the state government and decides.
Mining scene will not be the same again even if operations resumes in Goa. Chief Minister assured to ensure better interest of Goans dependent on mining. He will meet and have a word with the retrenched Seiza Goa officials first.
even if mining starts, 40,000 people would be jobless. GCCN figure.
तू GCCI एकूच
ना
दिता.
पण तेजे तुम्ही कितें study आसा आनी how will absorb
पहिली म्हणजे मायनिंगान भितर एक सबस्टेन्शियल नंबर ऑफ डावन द लायन जो पळय लेबर आशिल्लो पळय तो आउटसायड गोवा आशिल्लो. द मोमेंट मायनिंग स्टॉप दे ऑल वेकेटेड. यू कॅन रियलायज इट इफ यू गो डीपली स्टडी इट. सो तो पळय बेकार म्हणटा पळय तो आसतलो. वील सी दॅट गोवन्स आर प्रोटेक्टेड. टॉक्स विथ द सेना ऑफिशियल्स आयज आपयले.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas.
Special status for Goa and Portuguese dual citizenship may be BJP's Lok Sabha poll issues in Goa. Elect Narendra Modi as PM and BJP will settle the issue. This is what Chief Minister Parrikar said while addressing media on Modi's scheduled mega rally on 12 January. State President Vinay Tendulkar said around 700 to 800 buses will be engaged in the transport as the rally at Mayor says is expected to be a historical cloud puller.
Portuguese dual citizenship issue and other issues will see its logical conclusions once BJP government comes to power at the centre under Narendra Modi as Prime Minister. That is the state BJP's hope.
उपलब्ध बशीच्यो आंकडो 700-800 पर्यंत वतल्यो. उरलेल्या लोकांनी आपल्यो गाडयो काडच्यो अशी आमी हे केल्ली आसा. आय वील ऑल्सो ब्रीफ अवर प्रायम मिनिस्टरीयल कॅन्डिडेट सम इश्यूज ऑफ गोवा which if he thinks fit he will raise it. But wherever there are genuine problems of the state, when BJP government gets into the seat, I assure people of Goa that me, Shripad and the other MP, whoever is elected, we are capable of getting these issues resolved, including special status on certain items. I am making very clearly. Special status means we don't want money. We want some, because it is a very small, some protection in that matter. That also we will get resolved with the government. Of course, it will take time.
State BJP is leaving no stone unturned to ensure that Narendra Modi's 12th January Sabha becomes a mega hit. Around 800 buses are roped in to ferry Karyakartas and people. Modi's public convention will be charged 5 rupees per person. But before that, state BJP will complete its rounds of meetings in all constituencies.
आमच्या अपेक्षेप्रमाणे 1 लाखापेक्षा चड संख्या ही एकूण गोयच्या जनतेकडच्यान त्या सभेक उपस्थिती लावपाची साधारण अदमास येता.
Meanwhile, MP Shripad Naik has opened a registration counter at Santa Cruz. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Chetan Gawas and Sushant Pal.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.